Number 1.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,800, is a well-maintained pickup that combines classic styling with dependable performance, finished in a distinctive two-tone green exterior with a tan interior. It has only 118,000 miles, which is considered low mileage for its age. Powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck runs and drives excellent, delivering smooth performance and dependable power. Equipped with two-wheel drive and a long bed, it is well suited for hauling, towing, work projects, or everyday utility needs. The Eddie Bauer trim adds a touch of comfort and style, while the clean interior provides a comfortable driving experience. The body and frame remain in good condition for a 1995 model, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Overall, this Ford F-150 offers a strong combination of durability, practicality, and classic truck appeal.
Number 2.
1996 Ford F250, price $10,500, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine and has approximately 192,000 miles.
It features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, a gray interior, and recently received brand new 33-inch BF Goodrich KO3 tires, a new thermostat, a repaired brake line, and a new brake light switch. The truck runs well and the 4x4 system works, although the transfer case linkage needs replacement to allow shifting in and out of four-wheel drive.
It also has some rust and a core support that may need attention, both common for a Michigan truck of this age. The exhaust was removed with plans for a straight pipe setup, and the complete exhaust assembly, new rubber hangers, and new piping are included with the sale. Overall, this F250 offers a strong foundation for a work truck, project build, or restoration.
Number 3.
1999 Ford F350, price $4,500, is equipped with the powerful Triton V10 engine and currently has approximately 214,000 miles on the odometer. The truck has performed reliably for several years, with regular maintenance consistently kept up to date. Recently, however, the engine began producing a very loud noise upon startup. According to a technician's assessment, the engine will most likely require a rebuild. Despite this issue, the vehicle still starts, runs, and is able to move under its own power. Overall, this F350 offers the durability and capability associated with the Triton V10 powered model, making it a potential project or repair opportunity for the next owner.
Number 4.
1981 Chevrolet S10, price $8,995, is a beautifully built standard cab, two-wheel drive pickup that offers a perfect blend of classic style and V8 performance. Finished in striking yellow paint with a well-kept brown interior, the truck has an eye-catching presence and has clearly been maintained with great attention to detail. Powered by a small-block Chevy V8 engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers an engaging driving experience while retaining the character that makes these compact pickups so desirable. The truck runs on gasoline and has been driven approximately 80,000 miles since it was built. In addition to its strong drivetrain, this S10 features a durable 10-bolt rear axle, front disc brakes for confident stopping power, and a quality sound system that enhances every drive. The paint remains in excellent condition, the interior is exceptionally clean, and the overall presentation reflects the care and investment that have gone into the vehicle. With its combination of performance upgrades, low mileage since completion, and outstanding cosmetic condition, the Chevrolet S10 is a unique custom pickup that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 5.
1970 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. It has been driven approximately 293,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Powered by a rebuilt small-block 400 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and a desirable 4-bolt main block, the truck has low miles since the rebuild and delivers strong performance. It is equipped with a turbo 353-speed automatic transmission, and an additional 350 transmission is included with the sale. The vehicle also comes with power steering, power brakes, rear airbags, and recently installed brakes, contributing to a comfortable and dependable driving experience. The truck includes a canopy as well as a brand new exhaust system that is still in the box and has never been used. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives great. The body is generally solid for its age, although the left and right cab floor supports will require attention, which is a common issue on early Chevrolet pickups. Overall, this is a nice, solid 1970 Chevrolet C20 long bed that offers a strong drivetrain, useful upgrades, and excellent potential for continued enjoyment or restoration.
Number 6.
1974 Ford F250, price $3,500. It has approximately 96,000 miles and is powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck has recently received several maintenance updates, including a new carburetor, replacement vacuum lines, rubber fuel lines, and other common tune-up components. The BrakeMaster cylinder slowly leaks down over time, although a replacement has already been ordered, and the steering coupler joint has some play with a replacement also on the way. The hood has damage on the corners, the tires have flat spots and will need replacement, and the truck rides on 16-inch wheels. Rust is present along the edges of the floorboards, while the cab corners appear to have been replaced previously. Equipped with a straight exhaust system and cherry bomb mufflers, it has a loud exhaust note.
Number 7.
1987 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. It has 92,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a CAN 355 SBC V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. Finished in orange with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers a classic square body appearance with plenty of character. It runs and drives great, starts reliably, and features a 3 to 5-inch suspension lift sitting on 33-inch tires, giving it a strong stance both on and off the road. The 4x4 system is fully functional, making it a capable truck for various driving conditions. The truck benefits from a solid frame and a solid bed, providing a strong foundation for continued use or restoration. The heater works properly, adding to its overall drivability and comfort. As expected for a square-body truck of this era, it has rust in the cab corners, rocker panels, and the driver's side floor pan. It could also use some bodywork and a new set of tires to bring it to the next level.
Number 8.
1990 GMC 1500, price $10,000. It has 139,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, giving the truck a classic and distinctive appearance. The vehicle runs and drives great and has recently received a rebuilt transmission. It has been upgraded with drop spindles, a flip kit, and a C-notch for an improved lowered stance and enhanced handling. Additional updates include new shocks and new tires, contributing to a smooth and comfortable driving experience.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $4,300, powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission and has approximately 100,000 miles, though the exact mileage is unknown. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup runs and drives well, shifting smoothly, braking properly, and tracking straight down the road. The frame and floorboards are solid, while the body shows some rust, mainly on the rocker panels and bedsides. Over the past year, the truck has benefited from numerous upgrades and maintenance items, including new 16-inch wheels and tires, front brakes, an Edelbrock carburetor, Monroe gas shocks, cap and plug wires, dual 16-gallon fuel tanks, odometer gauges, a dash pad, battery, grille, and LED headlights and taillights. A replacement driver's door has also been installed and primed for paint, making this C10 a dependable classic truck with many recent improvements already completed.
Number 10. 1973 GMC Sierra 2500, price $8,995, powered by a 454 400s gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has been driven approximately 69,000 miles and features a white exterior complemented by a brown interior. It comes equipped with factory wood grain trim, air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, and a tilt steering column, retaining many of its original features. The vehicle has benefited from several recent maintenance upgrades, including newer tires, brakes, a fuel tank, and a fuel pump. The body remains exceptionally solid and has never been patched or repaired with body filler, Bondo, while the frame is clean and free from pitting or heavy scale. This GMC Sierra 2500 presents as an honest, rust-free truck that has been carefully maintained and preserved over the years.